Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about local and global variables. Here you can see I have created a file, JavaScript file, and I have imported in a HTML file through script tag. Okay, now let's go for it. And here I'm going to say some function. Let's say I want to declare some function. So I will say here function, let's say addition. All right. And here I will say print. Not print, actually I will say console.log. Here I'm going to mention some variable. Let x is equal to 3 and let y is equal to 4. And here I'm going to say console.log. I'll say x plus y. All right, I'll say here this. So let's define some other function. Let's go for the subtractions. I will say subtraction, and here I want to say x minus y. And let me show you what will happen. Now let's go at the top, and here I want to call the addition. If I say addition, here you can see 7. Why? Because 3 plus 4 is 7. Now what about subtraction? If I say subtraction, you will find error. Here you can see error, and here you can see it's showing me that x is not defined, but here we define it, right? So why we are not getting value, x value and y value here? Because this x and y value is local variable. Okay, local variable. Oops. Oh man. Oh man. Okay, local variable. That is the reason actually we are not getting value here. This is why we are not getting value. Let's go to the view and whatever. Okay. And that is the reason actually we are not getting value. If we want to get the value, we have to set here one more local variable, and that is x is equal to, let's say, 4, and let y is equal to 2. Then we'll find 2. Here you can see 2. But let's say I don't want to actually declare here, so we'll actually caught error. Now let's go for the global variable. So we need global variable. Here I'm going to say let x is equal to 4 and let y is equal to 2. It will show me 2 for the subtraction. So why the problem is because I have to declare them, define them before the function, right? Before the function I actually call. So I'll go here. Now it will not show error, it will show me 2. Why? Now my x and y value is global value, global variable. Okay, variable. And the second one is also global variable. Global variable. Okay, global variable. But here you can see my x value is 4 and y value is 2, so it should be 6, right? Because 4 plus 2 is 6. But here you can see I define here local variable, so it will actually go with the local variable, and then it will actually count this x and y. Okay, but here you can see there is no x and y value, so it will actually go for the global variable. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching.